What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 11 of the Chris Sain challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's 8:27 p.m. It is Friday, March 12th. Hope everybody had an amazing, phenomenal week. Your boy did for sure. And before we get into it, as usual, guys, if you want to help yourself to 2 free stocks, sign up for Webull. Link is down below in the description. So I don't know how long the offer is going to stay, so grab it while you can. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So here we are, guys, on my tracker as usual. And as you can see below, your boy went ahead and built out his position with Tattooed Chef. So I grabbed 25 shares, and now I have 125 of Tattooed Chef, 125 of APXT, and your boy is still sitting on 50 of Jacque. So not bad, not bad. I'm doing all right. I'm nibbling, as Chris is saying, nibble for the past, 3 months. But we're finally getting there, and I'm really glad these haven't popped in the past 3 months, because I kind of would have been upset. But it's all good. It's all good. So looking forward to the next 2 to 3 months of these things going to the moon, and then reinvesting that into something else. So let's go ahead and go into my portfolio, and shout out to Christian Vargas for pointing out there is a glitch in the APXT. For whatever reason, it's not registering the amount and the percentage of my gains and losses. So hence the reason why I always dive into my Robinhood tracker, so you guys can see the details and see my numbers from that standpoint. That way you get the real deal when I go into that, as opposed to this. So let's go ahead and go to deposits. So this week I deposited $1,000, and I went ahead and got, again, 25 more shares of Tattooed Chef. And then also I bought 2 options, 2 call options, that is. Let's go ahead and go into that real quick. So as you can see right now, I have 4 of them going right now. Still got Genius Brands on the move, Sundial Growers, Nano I bought this week, and then also Golden Nugget, the Jacque. And for Nano, it's currently going up right now as we speak, and I'll dive into that here in a second. But paid $263, expiration date of 5/21 of this year, and then also a $10 call on that. And Jacque is a $15 call and expires 4/16, and purchase price was $320. So that's all I had on the tracker, guys. Again, $1,000 deposited, 4 options in play right now. And then the transactions, I bought 25 shares of Tattooed Chef. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the app. All right, guys, here we are inside my tracker. I'm at $8,836.73. As you can see, it's been a great week. Your boy's up 10.94%, $871.73, with the current buying power at 204.89. So scroll down. Again, guys, these are my 4 options that I'm currently in. The first one being Jacque. No movement on the Jacque front as of right now, because I bought it pretty late. But as you can see, $320 equity, expiration date of 4/16. And let's go ahead and go back. Nano. So as I was saying before, Nano did pretty good for me so far right off the bat. As you can see, I'm currently up at a total return at $75. Total equity is at $338. And break even on this one's $12.63. So I'm going to go back. And then have Sundial Growers. This is a long-term play. As you can see, the expiration date's at 1/21/22. Total return, down $2. It's all good. And then Genius Brand. So total equity is 133. Expiration date is 1/21. Break-even price is 278, and I'm up $5 as a total return on this play. Again, 1/21. So I got a bit of time on that one for the time decay for that. As we scroll down, as you can see, everything below Apple that you see on the screen right now is what I have for this portfolio, for the Chris Sain challenge portfolio. Apple, Airbnb, Halion, American, Neo, Workhorse, APXT, Tattoo Chef, and Gnog. Same exact ones I have in my tracker. And my big dogs are down below. APXT, click on that. And as you can see, APXT did pretty good for the week at 5.76%. And then as you can see, my position is 125. The average cost is $14.93, so I can still get it down at the moment because it's at $12.67. Market value is at $15.83. Total return, I'm down 15%, or a little bit more than that, at $282.11. And then let's go back. Tattooed Chef. Let's see. For the week, I'm up almost 10%. Did very, very well, as I'm sure it did for everyone else who has it. And then shares, 125. Market value is at $26.75. Your boy's down on this one, $472.25. So a little bit above 15% as well on this one. And then last but not least, Gnog. See, for the week, it did really, really good at 21%. And then as I scroll down, average cost is $18.96. So I can still get it down right now. Maybe it'll give me a pullback next week and I can get a little bit more. But market value is at $8.50. Total return $98.25. Down a little bit more than 10% on this one as well. And then I have my Chris Sain watch list. Roblox, SunPower, CCIV, which I told you guys that I was thinking about getting into, which I still might. Let's see, Genius Brands, Curious, DraftKings. Too bad I didn't get in that one. Yeah, that was a banger. And then IDX, I still might get into IDX or Future FinTech. Still looking at those as some option plays coming up in the next week or so, maybe even 2 weeks. Maybe I can add another $1,000 to it, and then we'll see what happens. But also too, guys, if you want to see my crypto portfolio, I'm not sure how many of you guys are in crypto, but I have a lot more than this. I have I think 3 or 4 wallets. I've been doing crypto for about, I want to say 3 years now. It's not that big of a portfolio, but I'm just kind of curious if you guys want to see it along with these plays as well on a different Saturday or something like that. So, but anyway, that's all I have for the video, guys. Again, if you like the video, give your boy that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.